Can't do Pig God because that guy was super hard to make. So Stinger is the only one I could make because he's easy. So here's how you can make him. Real hair, rare hair, 3,700 and 300 and 776. Front hair, 49. Sleeves, 11, 100 and 100, no. 1,100 and 627. Pants, 900 and 220, no, 62. Socks, 8. Drop, 1,100 and 404. Gloves, 9. Back hair, 1,200 and 490. Eyes, 78. Mouth, 1,200 and 307. Pupils, 999. Yeah, you're finished. Hair is just black. Here's the color for skin, shirt, pants, and drop color. Eyes color white, dark. Eyebrows 1. Yeah, you're finished. This was very easy. Also, I'm thinking this is the last one of the Saitama One Punch Man tutorials. I'm not sure. Well, I'm gonna figure it out. So until next time, I'll let you guys know. So see ya.